Alright, so in this video I am going to show you how to install SSL certificate on our domain. So as you can see here, it says it's not secure. That means the SSL is not activated yet. So let's just log into our client area and then open up the cPanel interface. So I will go to services. So in this video I'm gonna install a free SSL certificate, and if you want to install a free SSL certificate, that I will cover in later tutorial, but in this one let's go with the free one. So here I will go to log into cPanel of my Ofaex account. Alright, so here we are, and if you scroll down, you can see the option here that says SSL TLS status on security interface. Here you have to go to this option, and we can see here that it says no certificate available. Auto SSL will attempt to secure the domain the next time it runs. Okay, so here we will select all the domains here and click on run auto SSL. Okay, so it might take a few moments, so you will have to wait here as it is in progress now. And if this fails, don't worry, because the SSL will automatically be installed in 24 hours. So it's an automatic process, but if you want it to install earlier, then you can use this function. Okay, maybe I am just passing this video. Alright, so it took less than a minute, and you can see here now it says auto SSL domain validated, and the green color here, as you can see. So let's visit in our domain. If you refresh this page, it will still say not secure, because we are not entering into the HTTPS protocol. If you enter with the HTTPS protocol, as you can see, now it says the connection is secure. Alright, so this is how you can set up SSL on your domain. If it is still not activates, you can click here and then select on cookies and remove the cookies if there is any, and then refresh the page, and it will automatically fetch the SSL certificate. And in the next video I will show you how to automatically redirect from HTTP to HTTPS. So stay tuned.